Hi guys, welcome back to Majestic. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to play Telegram videos without downloading it. For this process we need another two applications. One is Google Drive and the other is VLC player. So let's get started. First of all, open Telegram and search for Get Public Bot and select the first one from the list. Then select the start button to get the bot started and go back and select a file that you wanna play online and forward to public bot. The bot instantly reply with three options and we have to select on drive link, then start it and also save to drive. Now we need to authenticate this bot with our Google Drive. For that, type your Gmail and password and finally allow this bot to use your Google Drive. Now your Telegram and your Drive is linked. To get the file in your Drive, select the Save to Drive option one more time and the file will be in your Google Drive. To confirm it, go to Home and open your Google Drive, then confirm the file is there or not. Yes, the bot done a good job. Now you need to go home and open VLC player and link your Google Drive to VLC player. To link, select Network, then Cloud Services and Google Drive. Then log in with your Google Drive account. After login, you can see your file will be there. If you select it, you can play it directly from Google Drive without downloading it. Now you can see this streaming is working perfectly how you need. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. If you have any doubt, join our group.